Hi, welcome to today's video. Today is a very different kind of a video. It's an interesting one because all I'm doing today is I wanted to look at my art supplies and figure out if I need to fix them in any way, if I need to make basic wear and tear, if I need to check all of that and I need to fix it. So it's very important as artists to keep looking at your art supplies. I think anybody who's an artist who's watching this video would know what a delight it is to just touch your art supplies physically, have a look at them, keep them, hold them in your hand, and then just observe them and think about all the wonderful things that you've created with them and that you want to create in future with them. So I think as an artist, that is what I absolutely love doing. So this is about 12 years old. I think this is a piece that I picked up, I guess, in so maybe not 10 or 12 years, maybe around 10 years old. I picked this up in, I think, December 2013 or 12. And I love these pencils. These are from Steadler. This is a 60 color one. I think I may have done an unboxing and a review, not unboxing, but a review video of this in my channel before. So this one, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to just see if any of these require sharpening, if I need to put them in a certain order, because chaos is nice for an artist, but sometimes I think we need a little bit of happiness or a little bit of, perfection in chaos, if that's even possible. So, so this is what the set is like. Here are the first 30 colors. And here are the next 30 colors. So interestingly, white is something that I think I have hardly used, although I think I should use this a lot. I don't know why I have hardly used these. So like you can see, my colors are so haphazard, meaning there is yellows here, there's yellows here, greens, everywhere. I want to like fix this. I want to make sure that whatever requires sharpening, like this one here, I don't know. I think I've used this a lot and it's not sharpened. So another thing is you can see this tiny mark over here because these are watercolor pencils, which is why I love using these. I love watercolors, and pencils really help you to create a nice texture and take it to a different highlight. So that's what I'm do with that. So the first thing that I'm going to do is basically fix how this should be. I think that was not white, that was gray, because I can see a white here which is also unused or like very little used. So with me, because when I started doing art, I was a little child, and then you wouldn't really get white separately at that time. This is like about 20-25 years ago. It was a little hard to get just white separately, so it would be one of the first thing that gets over in your watercolor pencils or in your color pencils, whites and blacks. So whenever I would buy a new set, I would use it very judiciously. So you can see my black is used quite a bit as compared to my white. But I would be super careful because I would want to save it up. And I would use it, but at the same time, I would want to like really save it up and not completely mess it up. So because I wouldn't know where to go and get another one. Now I think it's still available a little more easily, but it's still, old school. So the first thing I'm going to do is pick out all of these colors, keep all the browns together, the oranges together. So let's start doing that. So this is also like a lesson in organizing. So here are all the 60 colors, and it's time to place them. So I can see they do have this structure here, which they have, it's a good example of how to place it, but I can still see like it's not a smooth blend. So I want to have like a better blend. Maybe I'll keep it in my own style. So let's start doing that. So this is the first tray. Start with our yellows. And after our browns, maybe move into our greens. I think this was more yellowish than a green. So maybe, oh, and it's so interesting. This is like bent. This pencil. I don't know what happened to it. So let's push them all on spot. Yeah. Move into our blues. I think our blues are going to move into 2 boxes. That's fine. Meaning 2 trays, one here and then one. Oh, this looks so beautiful. I love this feeling. Time to do the second tray at the base. Move into our purples. Peaches and pinks maybe. I think we'll do pinks and then move that into the purples. Okay, or let it be. I think this looks fine. I have some more pinks, so I think I'll do an orange first and then move that into a pink and red. And here. So this is how my final set looks like. I love how the colors are. It's so therapeutic to look at this, and it was so therapeutic to make it as well. That is all for today's video. I hope you had fun just watching this soothing process, and if you have seen this, I hope you get inspired to organize your own art supplies and use them. Thank you, and if you're new here, do consider subscribing to my channel for more such art updates and everything to do with art. Thank you.